How many hours have you spent designing thumbnails that nobody clicks on? Photoshop, Canva, templates, hours, and your CTR is still in a gutter. There are creators who have already abandoned all of that. They are generating AI thumbnails in less than 2 minutes, CTR score included, with no designing, no editing, completely from scratch. And today we are going to see how. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see before clicking on your video. And if it doesn't stop them from scrolling, nothing else matters. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create professional quality thumbnails in minutes using Thumbs.ai. Thumbs.ai isn't just a generic design tool. Every feature on the platform is built around a single goal, helping you create thumbnails that drive clicks. You can describe what you want, and the AI builds it from text. You can upload a reference image and generate designs based on it. You can also paste any YouTube URL and clone the visual style of that thumbnail. Each result includes a CTR score, an estimated click-through rate, so you know which version is likely to perform best. Plus, it features a face library. You save your photo once and reuse it across all the thumbnails you create. It also supports multiple formats, 16:9 for YouTube and 9:16 for Shorts and Reels. To get started, go to Thumbs.ai and sign up using your email or Google account. Upon signing up, you immediately receive 6 free credits. Enough for 3 thumbnail generations, but here's the best part. The moment you launch your first generation, the platform automatically grants you an additional 10 credits. That brings your total to 16 free credits. Enough for 8 thumbnails before spending a single dollar. This bonus is available for a limited time, so take advantage of it to explore the platform before deciding whether to upgrade your plan. If you do decide to upgrade, there's a discount link in the description. Using it also directly supports this channel. Let's create our first thumbnail. Click Create Thumbnail at the bottom of the screen and select Text to Thumbnail. You'll see 2 elements, a text box for your prompt and a space to upload your photo. When writing your prompt, be specific and visual. The example I used for one of my own videos was this: a close-up of a woman in an elaborate dress, shot in a park, featuring dramatic sunlight hitting the fabric, a bokeh background, ultra-vivid colors, luminous embroidery, and overlaid text. The more detail you include, the more precise the result will be. Next, upload a photo of yourself. I took one directly from a previous thumbnail. This is how the AI places your face into the scene. Below the upload area, you'll find facial expression presets. I selected Think to achieve a contemplative look. While this feature can't be fully optimized on the free plan, the AI still applies your chosen style. There is also an enhanced prompt button that automatically improves your description using AI. This is a paid feature, so on the free plan, you write the prompt yourself. When everything is ready, click Generate. Each generation costs 2 credits. The result is clean. The face reference was applied accurately, the composition is balanced, and the CTR score reached 68, functional. Though with room for improvement, if you aren't happy with the result, click Reset to regenerate using the same prompt and get a different variation. Once you're satisfied, download it directly from the results screen. Now let's look at image to thumbnail mode. This method works best when you already have a solid visual reference and want the AI to build upon it. Click Create Thumbnail again, but this time select Image to Thumbnail. Paste your prompt. I reuse the same one as before and then upload your reference image. Keep in mind that you can only upload one image per generation. For this example, I used a photo of women in traditional Chinese attire to establish the visual context. Before generating, explore the controls at the bottom of the screen. You can choose from general presets like 3D pop-out, action motion, editorial, and others. You can also control the typographic style independently and configure the background separately. For this test, I left all style settings at their defaults and let the prompt guide the outcome. Adjust the output format: 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Shorts or Reels, and keep the number of variations at 1 to save credits. Then click Generate. The process takes between 1 and 2 minutes. The result of this second generation is noticeably better than the first. The CTR score is higher, facial details are crisp, and the composition is polished enough to use directly in a video. It's a solid result, even on a free account. A few things worth knowing before we wrap up. Every face you generate is saved in the left-hand panel. Next time you create a thumbnail, select it from there instead of uploading it again. This keeps your visual identity consistent across all your content. Use the CTR score as a reference, not a guarantee. If the score is low, click Reuse. A different generation using the same prompt often yields a higher score. Also, on the free plans, the YouTube thumbnail downloader lets you paste any video URL and instantly download its thumbnail. It's ideal for researching the competition and gathering visual references. Thumbs.ai is one of the most specialized thumbnail tools available today. Workflows are streamlined, the CTR score provides real data to inform your creative decisions, and the face library makes maintaining a brand identity completely seamless. Okay, and that's it for this video. A big thanks to Thumbs.ai for giving me credits and play around with this tool. Also, remember to grab your discount at the description of this video. And if you made it this far, I invite you to watch this other video on how to refocus your footage using AI for free. Click here to find out more. See you guys next time. Bye bye.